Good morning, children. Welcome to session 2. In language space, English, today we are going to revise the same topic of session 1, that is myself. But first, we will revise orally about myself.
Let's first do the oral revision of myself.
Now, she is a girl. Her name is Tina. He is a boy. His name is Dev. Now, children, let's do the oral revision of myself. This myself is about a girl and her name is Tina. So, let's start. My name is Tina. T-I-N-A. Tina. Full stop. My name is Tina. The first letter of your name should always be in capital. Always put a full stop. Second sentence. I am a G-I-R-L girl. I am a girl. Now, how old is Tina? She is 5 years old. So, the third sentence. I am F-I-V-E 5 Y-E-A-R-S years O-L-D old. I am 5 years old. Children, if you are 6 years old, you have to write I am 6 years old. Now the fourth sentence. I go to 9 Kids kids SCHOOL school. I go to 9 kids school. Now the fifth sentence. I study in S capital small r dot K capital G capital senior KG. I study in senior KG. The last sentence. My TELEPHONE telephone NUMBER number is 1234567890. My telephone number is 1234567890. Now kids, this telephone number is just for the sample, but you have to write either your mummy's telephone number or your daddy's telephone number. Myself once again. My name is
read.
Tina. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 1234567890. Let's read myself about Dev. The first sentence. My name is DEV. Dev. My name is Dev. The first letter of your name should always be in capital. After that, when you end the sentence, put a full stop. My name is Dev. Full stop. The second sentence. I am a boy. B-O-Y, boy. I am a boy. I am S-I-X, 6. Y-E-A-R-S, years. O-L-D, old. I am 6 years old. Children, if you are 5 years old, you have to write 5 years old. The fourth sentence, I go to 9 kids, kids, school, school. I go to 9 kids school. The fifth sentence, I study, study in SR.KG, senior KG. I study in senior KG. My telephone, telephone, number number is 1234567890. Now children, this telephone number is just for the sample. You have to write your mummy's phone number or your daddy's phone number. Let's read once again. My name is Dev. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 1234567890. Children, today you have to write again in your classwork book page number 142. Children, open page number 142 of your classwork book. What is the first sentence? Yes, the first sentence is my name is dash. So write number 1 between these two blue lines, 1 dot. Now my. My. Leave one finger space. Name. Name. Is. My name is. Now I am putting a dash over here. Here you have to write your name, and the first letter of your name should always be in capital. Now full stop. Always put a full stop when you end the sentence. My name is dash. Now the second sentence. I am a dash. Children, here you have to write whether you are a boy or a girl. If you are a girl, you have to write I am a girl, girl. Full stop. If you are a boy, you have to write I am a boy, boy. Now the third sentence. I am dash YEARS, years, OLD, old. Full stop. I am dash years old. Children, if you are 5 years old, you have to write FIVE. And if you are 6 years old, you have to write SIX. Now the fourth sentence. 4 dot. I go to 9 capital K I D S kids, capital S C H O O L full stop. I go to 9 kids school. Now the fifth sentence. I S T U D Y study in capital S small r dot capital K capital G full stop. I study in senior KG. Now the last sentence. 6 dot. MY my TELE PHONE telephone NUMBER number IS is dash full stop. My telephone number is dash. Children, here you have to write your mummy's phone number or your daddy's phone number. Children, you also have to write in your homework book page number 134. Keep learning sight words as well as the sentences of myself. Bye-bye.